Welcome back to my channel. Oh, no, come here. Can somebody go down at the shop, down at the bakery shop, the bakery, down a yard, but tell the lady if you stop now, because she has car psychosis. Yeah, because one individual is actually mad enough, tell her. Yeah, this is serious now. This is serious. Because when we look over, over the other cake shop, the pop-up one, the woman are mad out, yeah. All the human oven down the bakery shop cost, because the woman oven, yeah, too much, for sure, yeah. So, no, sir, this is not normal. When we look over the other, down England, and me look about the place, everybody busy a bake, and she are the only one busy a course. She are the one, no, only one in the cake one. We can't see nothing when she a bake. She a few pictures, but me not see nothing, no butter store or anything like that. You know, so it's serious, it's sad. Yeah, so many things going on social media. I don't even know if it start me going a little bit in here. So the recording then what me see a fling out here and there. Round by the roundabout the 360 degrees down there, so me see here recording. And me thinking about all these recordings me hear them before. Yeah, them recording me hear before. The only part I want to touch on about the recording was the part where there's an individual that's being a social media miscreant, so go around and give trouble. Yeah, and created a lot of problems on social media, and it was going in our inboxes and calling up on platforms. Yeah, allegedly it's supposed to be this individual. Yeah, calling up on platforms, call up over by the camp, and it was implicating Lady V's sister into something, some kind of activities where them lot always are talk about over the fence. Yeah, and I was listening to it and I'm thinking this is serious, because I think people were saying people were saying it was another person from a certain platform. Yeah, so that's what I was thinking. Social media is a very wicked place, yeah, with some of these people, the miscreants, then while go on to create trouble, they get some kind of kick out of causing trouble on social media. Yeah, don't understand it, but this is it. Yeah, and then people are not vetting certain people that go appear upon them platform and don't realize what them, especially the individual then were over the camp. Yeah, anybody has said anything about such lady and scamming activities, them always, engage and carry certain people upon them platform, and know some of it turn around to bite them. No, yeah, that's what me see here going on here. So this is it really, a lot of issues. Yeah, this person creates here from when I was listening to the thing, and I was thinking this is really, really serious. Yes, very serious anyway. Yeah, and yes, so I just wanted to say something on it. I was thinking, oh my God, this is really, really serious. Yeah. So moving on now from what they are listening out, because the love affair, the love triangle, rectangle, whatever, how in that one what people have said is, allegedly. I'm going to say allegedly all over the streets of the media. But this love affair and cousin call about the place, yeah. So me not look out now to hear whether if you listen out look over the fence every day, because I want to hear if Baba go come out to address it. So yeah, the wife the so-called wife cousin that come out and was talking up the things them. So this man me look over the fence. This at for the press, you know, you shouldn't get it for free. Yeah. Me look over the fence and me hear Bob addressing it. Yeah. So he was saying Milo, yeah, and how she wicked and she evil and all that, yes. And him a go put out her husband and a whole heap of something out there. You see when she put out his wife things out there. She put out her wife on social media. Put out the wife on social media because she's not a social media person. And yeah, the person went on the platform, and tell all the lies, basically, is saying, yeah. Tell all the lies when they go so, yeah. He might go put out a lot of things out there and then show a picture for her anywhere and so on, yeah. So, I was thinking about looking at the whole thing, I was thinking, because they mentioned that she evil and she did report chit chat to the university. Yeah. Report chit chat to the university, yeah. So, but I was thinking to myself, didn't they know this person was evil if they were around? She was around them and she was phoning up university report chit chat. I don't know what she was reporting chit chat for. So I don't know what chit chat come here. I want to know if anybody did report you to university. So, you know, did you stop her? Did you tell her it was wrong? Is my question, yeah. So these people were around you doing the evil things, but them was alright when you and them was friends. But now, then come out now and mixing you up and doing all kind of things. You're gonna say, you know, them evil. Because me listen to a video before where she hide page and on the pretend say the lady down at the shop take down on the page, yeah. The page low page they come down and wanna say the lady down at the shop take down the page and then they come out say she hide the page and we hear the recording where she hide and delete. She now delete the page and delete something like so. Anyway, so those are the things that was going on behind the scenes, and because this individual now, she's maybe got a vendetta. Some of it might be true, some of it might be false. We don't really know. The only thing I was thinking when I was listening to the whole thing which you call a skit, and this person, you know, me listen to me talk, it don't make sense. A lot of it don't make sense. But at first I was thinking, well, if something goes so, would this cousin be putting this putting the wife at danger if him so dangerous and him a beat up his wife and all that thing there? So that's the bit that I was a bit confused about. So I kind of don't, you know, I was thinking them the kind of allegations was a bit serious. Yeah, it was very, very serious allegation and so on. But at the same time, only did a poll with her whether she was there. You say she was a rat in the camp. Yeah, but she not a rat and she not probably not helping do other things. Yeah. So you have to look at it to say only did a poll with this person and I'll meet this person and all and something there. Yeah, so that's what I got out of it to say, well, if we don't know, say she in a report chit chat and then little things, she didn't know, say she evil and see that thing, say no, this person not a good person to be around, yeah, but all have one another secrets and all that. Yeah, so does that make it comfy? Think to myself, I don't get these people now when they're gonna come out now and cry, say this person wicked and whatever, when they was doing certain things behind the scene and I record people and I do all kind of something. Yeah, so We have to go wait and see the next episode. Yeah. Anyway, Farmer done talk and she's out.